Grayson heard there's a swell up in the Outer Banks.
We're late.
We're late and running from the storm that's brewing.
So we're headed to the Outer Banks for the first time in about a year. The last time I went, it was 15 to 20 foot and the heaviest waves I've ever seen. And that's the closest I've ever come to drowning or being scared in the ocean. We're kind of avoided it for that long now for that reason. So all week long I kept looking at the forecast and it looked like it was going to be pretty good this weekend. So we're headed down there. It's about 8 o'clock and about 4 hours away or so. I'm getting a little bit nervous. My buddy at Village Surf Shop just texted me and told me Cam is also headed there. He's a pro surfer raised by Village Surf Shop's owner. Hope it's fun, but I'm not real enthused about it being too big.
We're running through all this rain right now. It's really intense. All packed up and ready to go. See you there.
I've been eating my veggies and doing my aerobics. See how it pans out.
Well, we're awake. Got some sleep last night, and at least I did. Grayson got a little bug bitten, but I slept pretty good. Now we're off looking for some surf spots since it's all about the chase.
Turn left onto Caribbean Way. Then the destination is on the right.
What you think?
We're gonna keep looking. Tide's not right. This is just not spot there. Moving out towards Lighthouse in Frisco.
And off we go to check out the next spot. We found a spot. Glad we found it. Is it good?
It's real good. They pull out the performance board, big wave board. 510 Slater Gamma model. Thanks Village Surf Shop for the hookup on all my boards as always. Time to let her rip.
Let her rip, Tater Chip.
To the man himself, Kelly Richards.
Hello.
That's where I get all my boards from Village Surf Shop. He's the owner.
Garden City Beach, South Carolina. Grayson just asked me for some tips, and I said, Grayson, it's not how you paddle, it's when you paddle. And take off left at the point there, this jetty, and don't take any pictures like this because people know where we're at. I'm kidding.
You always the man, Kate. Perfect, thank you. We just left the lighthouse. Finally caught some pretty good waves there. It was a foot or 2 foot overhead. Took me a while to get over my little bit of fear I had from surfing last time in the Outer Banks, but I finally caught a pretty big overhead left. Super stoked for that. Got to surf a little bit with Cam Richards. If any of y'all are into surfing and don't know that name, that kid is insane and well worth the look. I also got to hang out with his dad, Kelly Richards, who I've known since I was a kid. That was pretty cool too. Just a random chance to run into him up here like that. We'll go out and get a little cat nap and head back down there this evening right before sunset. Hope the winds go offshore and see what we got. Can't wait. Tired of paddling all day.
Yeah, she's so exhausted.
A volunteer.
With the band and all. miles on the old Double Cab this weekend, chasing the waves up and down the whole coast of the Outer Banks. Caught some pretty good waves yesterday and finished off today with some mediocre, clean but smaller waves. Time to head back home, about a 6-hour drive. Hope you enjoy. Can't wait for the next